In this case, we have a radical equation. The x is under the radical, but we also have an x outside the variable. That's what I'm trying to talk about in my title. So I'm still going to solve the radical equation by squaring both sides, but as we'll see, that's going to do something a little different. On the left, it does get rid of the square root, and I get the x plus 11. Now on the right, I have to square the whole thing, the whole x minus 1, which is going to give me x squared minus 2x plus 1. Now I have a quadratic equation which I need to solve. So I want to get 0 on one side and everything else on the other. So I'm going to subtract x and subtract 11 on both sides, which leaves me with negative 3x minus 10, x squared minus 3x minus 10. Now to solve this, I'm going to try to factor, which can be done like this. Negative 5 plus 2 is equal to negative 3. Negative 5 times 2 is equal to minus 10. So by the zero products property, my potential solutions are x is equal to 5 and negative 2. But because I'm dealing with the peculiarities of square roots and negatives, I want to make sure that both of these solutions are real solutions and not extraneous. Ones that appear to be true when we solve the equation, but when I plug them back in, don't work. That can happen in cases like this. So I'm going to check both solutions. It's very important that we do that. First, I'm going to check 5 by plugging it into here. And it comes out to, is the square root of 16 equal to 4? Yes, it is. So therefore, 5 is an appropriate solution. I want to see if negative 2 is an acceptable solution, so I'm going to put it in for x here. As you can see, we run into a little problem. Here, negative 2 plus 11 is 9. And on the other side, we get negative 3. The square root, the radical of 9, refers to the positive square root, not negative 3. So we do have a little bit of a problem. This is an extraneous solution, and we can kind of see what's going on there. Negative 3 squared is equal to 9. However, the radical is defined as the positive square root. So what I'm saying is that this solution actually does not work. Negative 2 is not a solution. Therefore, my only legit non-extraneous solution is going to be x equals 5. Thank you. Hope that helped.